So baking soda has been sitting in both rooms for hours now. I did it before I left to the grocery store because these rooms were just stinking. So I wanted to leave some baking soda with some essential oils. I just do like a little mixture and just poured it all over. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this right now, make the bed, clean up in here, and then head into the other room, and then possibly do the bathroom, and then probably finish this in the morning. So this is going to be like an after dark clean with me type, wake up in the morning and finish up. I don't know, but I definitely have to get this room done by today. And the other room, the bathroom, I will try to do my bedroom as well, but it is late in the evening, so I might continue this in the morning. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is full of 2 days of cleaning. Now I am starting in the evening time, which I never ever do, but I was by myself this weekend, so I decided why not. So earlier in the video you saw me pouring some baking soda in both the kids' bedrooms. I always do this when I know that I'm going to clean a little bit later in the day. I let the baking soda sit on the carpet just like I let it sit on their mattress. That way it can absorb any nasty odors in the air. But afterwards I got home and it was about 8 I think when I started this, so I went ahead and vacuumed their rooms and tidied up, and then the only thing I wasn't able to vacuum on this evening was the bathroom because it was already later and my in-laws were downstairs sleeping, so I didn't want to wake them up. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this video.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on the river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzying highs. You make everything so much better. Riding high on the river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying highs.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
Alright y'all, so this was my first time trying this Barkeeper's Friend. I did try a few years ago, but I tried like the liquid version and I put it into the fiberglass bathtub thing that we had, the shower bathtub combo thing, and it left a stain. So I have never used it again, but I decided to go ahead and pick it up. I was at Publix and I said, well, I need something different to clean the kids' bathtub. So I went ahead and poured it in there, put a little water, scrubbed, and oh my gosh, I love this. I typically just use my bleach, not bleach, but my Clorox, and I let it sit in there just because I feel like the toilets and the shower need some bleach, I decided to go ahead and try this Barkeeper's Friend, and it worked amazing. I love it. I even tried it in the kitchen. You'll see later on in the video, I tried it on my little pan that goes in the air fryer. It was just stained with like burn stains, I guess, and I poured this, let it sit, and I scrubbed it and it came right off, you guys. So this product, awesome. I give it a thumbs up.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Can we stay here forever?
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Okay, so I took out the shower liner that we had before, and it was just super gross in there. You can see, oh, it was just nasty. It was dirty. So I ended up putting an IKEA one that I got, and looks pretty good. So I'm done in here. I can't vacuum tonight because it is late and I don't want to wake anybody up. So, which I'm by myself, but downstairs. This is actually clean. So I'm just gonna wipe this up, pick this up. This has to go back in there. I was filling up the shampoo. And now I think I'm gonna head into my bedroom. Alright, so I never made it to my bedroom on this night because I got tired after I did the kids' bathroom and their rooms. I decided that it was time for me to shower and go lay down and go to bed. But I had to share this with y'all. I found her sleeping and she just stared at me when I pulled out my camera, but she just looks so comfy. She just looks so adorable, but it was time for me to go to sleep. And then I woke up the next morning, here's the next day, and I went ahead and finished their bathroom, vacuumed, and then I went into the living area, the kitchen, and then the porch. And then I also, at the end of the video, I also throw in a little boat ride. We took the boat out to this island that we have on the lake. We call it Goat Island, where Alabama Power comes out and they put goats on the island. And they had baby goats, so that was super adorable. I just had to share that with you guys.
No need to overanalyze it. We grew apart more every day. When times get rough, I try to tell you we need to fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me. Simple as I air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
Alright y'all, that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the cutest little goats. They actually had baby goats this year. They never had them. They only had like 3 big ones. But they had the little babies. They looked so adorable. And then after that, we took the kids over to this other island we have on the lake. It's called Pirate Island, and it's kind of just like a little island in the middle, and it's kind of shallow in the area so people can swim, but it's really, really tiny. And they typically just kind of just put like a few chairs. I think there's like a little grill on there, and they have like a treasure chest, and they always put just little treasures, just little items like necklaces or little Dollar Tree toys. Everyone who lives on the lake kind of just stops by, just picks up like random things to put in the treasure box, and then when kids go to the island they can kind of pick something out. It's just kind of like a little tradition, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.